Tiny Brain's TV kicks off with a pepperoni rocket sneeze, launching into wild, meme-drenched chaos that never lands. A skit features a clumsy time traveler, negotiating with a shelf of self-stirring cereal while shouting obscure catchphrases. In gaming segments, they duel a sentient rubber duck boss named Quackulus, exploiting glitches like a chaotic dance routine. References to forgotten pop culture pop up, from a VHS apocalypse to an anime about sentient staplers negotiating peace. Each transition spirals sideways, colors crash, and the audience laughs as absurdity learns to moonwalk across the screen.